This year, we're introducing a new visitor management system called School Pass. When visiting a school, visitors will be instructed to sign in and out during each visit at any school. You will need your driver's license in order to sign in. To sign in for the first time, click New Visitor. Next, you will click Scan License and hold your license up to the camera behind the iPad. After your license has been scanned, the screen will display your information. Please select your visitor type. You may choose to enter your phone number and/or your email address. You may also choose to change your photo. Then, select Next. Please select the reason for your visit and who you are visiting. Finally, please add your signature on the screen. Then, click Submit. A visitor's pass will be created for you. For safety and identification purposes, you will need to wear this while in the building. When leaving the building, you will need to sign out. Your visitor's pass will help you speed through the process. Click Sign Out and use your personal PIN code that is located on your visitor's pass. This will be your PIN code for the entire school year.